Welcome back to my channel, the place where machines meet magic, and innovation takes the front seat. If you love wheels, engines, and engineering marvels that break the mold, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something refreshingly unique, something that blurs the line between minimalism and mobility. Meet the TinyTri Camper Tricycle, arguably one of the most compact and curious camper solutions you'll ever lay eyes on. Imagine cruising down a quiet countryside trail, pedaling under blue skies, with your entire mobile shelter right behind you. No fuel costs, no complicated setups, no massive RV. That's the promise of the TinyTri, an ultra-compact camper that can be towed by a tricycle. Let that sink in, a tricycle. Now, before you dismiss it as a novelty or just a fun DIY project, the TinyTri actually brings a whole lot of functionality packed into its small frame. It's not just for show. Built with practicality and sustainability in mind, this camper is redefining how we think about travel. It's minimalism to the core, made for those who want to explore the world at a slower pace, without sacrificing shelter and comfort. The TinyTri Camper Tricycle is lightweight, very lightweight, in fact. Most designs hover under 100 pounds total, making it incredibly easy to tow even on human power alone. The trike itself usually features a recumbent or upright design, depending on rider preference, and offers a comfortable seating position for long rides. It's geared appropriately to help tackle inclines without burning you out too quickly. But the real star here is what's being towed, the micro camper. Don't expect luxury, of course. This isn't a 5-star hotel on wheels. But within its compact footprint, the camper includes the essentials: a sleeping area large enough for one adult, some smartly designed storage compartments, ventilation panels, and even options for solar power to charge your devices or run a small fan. Some builds even include a tiny fold-out table or a compact cooking area that slides out from under the bed platform. It's like a Swiss Army knife of camping, designed for ultralight overlanding or minimalist road trips. What makes the TinyTri concept truly interesting is its versatility and low cost. You don't need a truck, SUV, or even a driver's license to hit the road. With a sturdy trike and a clever camper, you're free to explore bike trails, parks, or backroads that typical RVs can't access. This kind of rig is perfect for solo adventurers, digital nomads, or even people looking to live off-grid in the most low-impact way possible. And let's not ignore the environmental factor. In an age where climate consciousness is more important than ever, the TinyTri camper stands as a great example of eco-friendly travel. No emissions. No gas stations. Just you, your pedal power, and the open road. If you want to escape the grid and reduce your footprint, this is probably the lightest way to do it, both literally and metaphorically. Of course, like any ultra-minimal solution, it's not for everyone. There's no bathroom, heating system, or running water. Weather can be a challenge. And long-distance travel might take a little more stamina and planning than usual. But that's part of the appeal. The TinyTri isn't trying to be everything, it's trying to be just enough. And maybe that's the philosophy that makes it so compelling. Some adventurers have used TinyTri setups to travel across countries. Others use it as a weekend getaway tool, perfect for quick trips to a lake, a forest, or a quiet patch of beach. And then there are those who've built their own versions using reclaimed materials, plywood, bicycle parts, even aluminum sheeting, all custom fit to their specific needs and style. It's a canvas for creativity as much as it is a mode of transport. If you're thinking of building or buying a TinyTri camper yourself, keep a few things in mind. Weight distribution is crucial for balance and ride comfort. Aerodynamics, though less critical at cycling speeds, still play a role in how easy it is to tow. And don't skimp on the weatherproofing. Good insulation and water resistance will make a huge difference in your overall experience. At the end of the day, the TinyTri Camper Tricycle isn't just about travel, it's about philosophy. It's about slowing down, simplifying, and finding freedom not in luxury, but in lightness. It challenges what we think we need to enjoy life on the road, and replaces it with a very different question: what if less is actually more? And that wraps up our look into the TinyTri Camper Tricycle, a beautiful example of how mobility and minimalism can come together in the most unexpected ways. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest and quirkiest rides the world has to offer. Got thoughts on the TinyTri? Planning to build your own? Drop your comments below, we'd love to hear your take. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your spirit rolling. This is Channel, signing off.